So my name is Peter Weiss. I'm the director of the Space and Innovation Division at Comex. In this division we are working mainly on space projects, on astronaut training and the development of habitats for space, for the Moon, for Mars. And in the innovation part we are working on R&D projects for different fields of application, like renewable energies, for example. Actually, Comex was already involved in astronaut training in the 90s, but this activity then stopped, and we started working on that again approximately 2 or 3 years ago. And this led then to something which was really a nice experience. That was the Apollo 11 on the sea mission, where we simulated the Apollo 11 mission, the first mission to the Moon, offshore Marseille on the bottom of the sea, together with astronauts from ESA, Jean-François Clairvoy, and the ESA astronaut trainer, Harry Stelner. This was really a nice experience, because we really brought into application our experience in this field and made a nice mission.
So the gondola suit is a wetsuit. Inside there is a diver that feels the astronaut movement. Actually, there is a buoyancy and springs that restrain the movements. So the diver inside can experience a real EVA simulation with a movement. So this suit is based on a Russian suit that is called the Orlan, and the gondola suit is almost 20 or 30 years. Actually, we are creating a new suit based on an American model called the Z1 suit. More lighter and with more mobility concept, thanks to more bearings, and so it's this new suit will be designed in the framework of a European project that is the Moonwalk project, with many partners, and this new suit will be will be created and shown maybe in 2017.
The she house that you saw just before, it's kind of house flower, I can say, because it got 2, 4, 6 petals, and then it will be open as a flower. So at the beginning it's small one to be in the first in a truck to go somewhere, and then when you will use it, everything will be open. So it's so simple, you push a button and that's it, it works alone. And for the Moon or Mars, it will be simple. You put it there and suddenly it opens it. So after that, the astronauts will come inside, and then they will leave with the air condition and oxygen and everything inside. All will be ready.
I'm Fred Alcala. I'm an operation manager in Operation Marine Department in Comex. And my job is to supervise all the technical aspects of the job and to organize the operation at sea. Okay, so the system is, the purpose of the system is to make a 3D reconstruction of underwater object or site. It consists of 3 cameras and an acquisition system installed on ROV. The next advancement is to get a more smaller system, to get the same thing with smaller cameras, smaller acquisition system, to be able to put the system on a smaller ROV, to have something light, and maybe a small system to be operated by divers. That's the future. And probably to get more, I think we have to wait with the technology about cameras and resolution, and then we can have more and more good resolution. At the time, it's very good because we can have some millimeter accuracy about the reconstruction, but probably in the future we can do better.
I believe is that well, humans are made to explore, and I think it's important for the public, for education, for inspiring children, to continue sending astronauts to space, and bringing them back to the moon, bringing them to asteroids, and ultimately bringing them to Mars, because that will inspire a lot the next generation going into the field of science, going into the field of engineering. And for example, if you compare the impact in the public that was achieved during the Apollo mission to the impact that was achieved through missions like the Mars rovers and things like that, I mean, there's a huge difference. People see other people walking in these kind of environments or targets, and I think that's very important. So we need to continue sending people to space, and we need to continue reaching further out in the solar system, reaching other destinations.